Okay, so I'm Craig Smith from Europa Property magazine and the M&A Director magazine. We are putting together a super event this year on March 22nd, which is the CEE M&A Awards. Now, this is the second edition. First edition we sold out, and we sold out quickly. Now we're going on to the second edition. It's going really well. We've got a lot of investors already coming, a lot of M&A professionals coming to the event. It's here in Warsaw at the Intercontinental Hotel, where we're at right now. We would like to have you guys come to the event. If you're doing anything in M&A, investment, you need to be there. It's very, very interesting people. A lot of the most active investors are there. Nice atmosphere. The tickets are selling fast, so we definitely want you to be part of the event. And the best way to get some more information is either just to shoot me an email or take a look at our website, which is CEE M&A Awards.com. So you can go to the website, or you can just drop me an email or give me a call, and we'll be happy to give you some more information about the event. But this year, and especially with the dynamics of Central Eastern Europe and Poland, this is a year not to miss the event. So we hope to see you there. And like us on Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn and YouTube.